Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can set custom ringtone on your Android phone. So guys, first of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to tap on the sounds and vibration setting, this one. And you can simply tap on the ringtone option since we want to set custom ringtone for our Android phone. Tap on the ringtone. Then you can select a SIM card you would like to set your custom ringtone for, and for example I'm gonna go with SIM1, so tap on the SIM1. Then if you want to set custom ringtone, you can tap on this plus button to add the custom ringtone, and you can select a song or music from your device. And for example I'm going to select, wait guys, so for example I'm going to select this one. Tap on the song or the music you would like to set as your ringtone, and after that you can click on done. Okay, and now the custom ringtone has been set on our Android phone, and that's how we can set custom ringtone on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.